So, hello, we are doing an unboxing today for this Philips toothbrush, electric toothbrush. I've got this 5100 model. This is my gift from my husband for Father's Day. There you go. This is all the functions. It has two buttons here, as it says in the box actually. And you have some travel case, and I guess you have an extra brush here. So I used to use the other brand, but when I switched to Philips, I have my own one, the Diamond Clean, which I'm going to include in here in this video later on. Yep, so let's do the unboxing of this good looking toothbrush. There you go. My daughter opened it a bit, so I'm just gonna continue opening it. Oh, damage the box. There you go. Right. So we have a booklet, and this is the one that you register because I think it comes with 1 year warranty. So I have to do this one later. And this is the brush. So you get one Sonicare. Oh no, it's actually both of them are Sonicare. So I'm not so sure what's the use of the green one. What's the difference between this color? And this is our toothbrush. There you go. Has this very sleek and matte kind of covering of this handle. So it says it gets there's a function. Hold on, it's not focusing. There's a clean function, there's a white, and there's a gum care. There you go. There you go. And then that's the charger. It's the same charger like the one in when you use the so this is the charger. So you just have to put it in like that. And it comes with this kind of I think this is a European outlet. There you go. And I'm gonna open one. And you just have to put one toothbrush here. There you go. And then it comes with a travel case. It's made of plastic, and it's like this. Looks nice. And this is our toothbrush now.